Hi guys, it's me Cyrus back again with Gain City. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to travel to Gain City Megastore from the Choa Chu Kang MRT station. Now when you arrive at the MRT station, remember to follow exit. That's right, and walk past a pedestrian walkway. It is sheltered, so don't worry about rain or shine, okay? And you will reach to the bus bay, which is where the pickup point is. So I can't wait for the bus to arrive and to do some shopping later. So let's wait for the bus. Woohoo! The bus is almost here. In less than a few seconds, you will see the bus appeared right here. Okay, here it is. Gain City bus, shuttle bus. He's gonna bring me to the Gain City Megastore. So let's hop on the bus and go for a shopping in the very short while. Hello! Hopping onto the shuttle bus. It's a very comfy ride with aircon and nice sitting right here. So the journey will take about like 10 to 15 minutes depending on the traffic situation. So yeah, and that's where you can go for your shopping later on. And here we are arriving at the Gain City Megastore at Sungei, Kadut from the Choa Chu Kang MRT station. So yep, before we say goodbye, don't forget to follow them on Instagram and Facebook at Gain City. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.